I wrote my fourth proposal, and it was about taking over this space to create a community where religious and young adults would live together. And those young adults might be college students or graduate students. They themselves might be doing some ministry.
Definitely, I'm looking forward to this opportunity to live in community, because, you know, as a school sister of Notre Dame, when we profess our vows, we say our vows in community. So we recognize that, you know, to be a nun, it's, you know, it's more than just saying, you know, gospel poverty, apostolic obedience, and consecrated celibacy, but rather it's in community. That is the community that supports us to be able to live this religious life.